In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up a cluttered view so you only see the fields that matter. First, head to ClickUp, open it in your browser or desktop app, and land on your Workspace home. From here, the key is to go to the place where your columns actually live. Open the space that contains the work you're managing, then navigate into the specific view you want to tidy up. This might be a list, table, or any view that displays a row of column headers across the top. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct space and the correct view, because column changes apply to the view you're looking at. Now, focus on the upper line of the view, the header row where your column names appear. Find the column you want to remove. To bring up its options, double-click directly on that column header. That double-click opens the column controls for just that field. In the menu that appears, choose the option to remove or delete the column from this view. ClickUp may label this as Remove Column, Hide from View, or simply Delete, depending on your view type and the field involved. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. The column will disappear immediately from this view, giving you a cleaner layout. A quick note on what's happening here. When you remove a standard column from a view, you're simplifying what you see without changing your underlying tasks. If the column represents a custom field, ClickUp may ask whether you're removing it only from this view or deleting the field entirely. Deleting a custom field can remove its data across multiple places, so read the prompt carefully and choose the scope that matches your intent. If you're unsure, removing it just from the current view is the safest option. As you work, you might notice other options in the top area of the view, including choices related to the entire view itself. You may even see a delete view option. That is different from removing a single column. Be sure you're acting on the column's header controls so you don't remove the whole view when you only want to declutter one field. That's it. Head to ClickUp, open the correct space and view, then double-click the column header on the upper line and choose the delete or remove option. Repeat for any other columns you no longer need and enjoy a streamlined, focused view that highlights exactly what matters to your team.